So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to kickstart your career in data analytics? Well, we have a great news. IKEA is hiring for Junior Data Analyst Intern in Bengaluru, India. So if you have skills in SQL, Python and cloud technologies, this could be your golden opportunity. So stay tuned till the end. I will share all the details including required skill sets, salary insights and how you can apply. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe it because we post 3 job updates daily on this particular YouTube channel, helping you stay ahead in your career. So now let's dive in. So the job details, as you can see, is of a junior data analyst intern, and it's an internship role with probability of getting converted into full time. And this is Bangalore based, and they do not require any experience from your end. The required skill sets they have mentioned is like strong SQL knowledge with basic understanding of JavaScript, client server architectures, technical stack knowledge like MS SQL, Python, Databricks, Snowflake, which are actually more into data engineering stuff. So if you want to be a data engineer, if you have that passion, so don't miss this very important opportunity. It's kind of incredible opportunity to for you to land your job in such a great company in such a great role. And also they expect me to have a good analytical skill and problem solving skill, very good communication skill, and of course, very must thing, you must be flexible to work in US EST time shift, which is evening to night shift. So it might go like 2 to 11 kind of shift afternoon, or it might even go in night shift as well. So this is all about the role and preferred qualification. Also, they have mentioned that if you have a SQL certification, then you will be given preferences. Plus, you should have the bachelor degree in computer science and IT, and working knowledge of programming languages like Python, SQL, uh, Python, JavaScript, all that. So let's understand a little bit about the company. So IKEA is basically a global leader in clinical research, life sciences, and healthcare analytics. This internship will help you gain real-world industry experience while working with top professionals. So how you can apply? Just check for the direct link in the description and apply as soon as possible. Since this internship opportunity get filled quickly. Uh, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, comment below if you have any questions. We are always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe. We post 3 job related videos every single day covering mostly into data analytics job and software engineer jobs as well. So do subscribe to it if you haven't done till now. And also join our Telegram and WhatsApp community group and channels for free certification courses, free Udemy links, Udemy courses link, job links, and all that. So that's it for this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.